your own statement, exhibit double Z in brackets 11, and we are on page two of your statement, which consists of 6 pages, paragraph 4.
Yes, my lord.
Just wish to refer to the 7th line from the bottom of paragraph 4. Seventh line from the bottom of paragraph 4.
Can you indicate to me?
So in other words, just above paragraph 5, if you count 7 lines, there's a sentence that starts, I was also told by Zungu. You see that?
Yes, yes, my lord.
I was also told by Zungu that the involved suspects may or are suspecting that he may spill the beans against them because they know that he knows about their involvement. You see that, General?
Yes, my lord.
Ingabe uyabona ke la general ekubhalwe khona ukuthi ke ngatshelwa uZungu ukuthi ke abasola laba bambandakanyekayo basengasola ke ukuthi yena ke usengakhuluma ngoba ke bayazi ukuthi yena ke unolwazi ngokubandakanyeka kwabo. Yebo ngiyakubona lokho.
No, we posit to you that that stands in sharp contrast to your evidence in chief that Constable Zungu heard from Gwabeni about the involvement of the suspects or the people who were involved in the Senzo Mewa trial, Senzo Mewa case.
Manje ke ngikushoyo kuwena general ukuthi lokho engiqeda ukufundela kona manje kuyanqubuzana ke noma kuyashayisana ke nobufakazi bakho la ubufakazi bakho uthi khona ke wena uConstable Zungu ethi watshelwa uGwabeni mayelana nabasola ukuthi ke bayambandakanyeka.
My lord, there's no contradiction. It's very, very much clear because when I'm saying that he knows about this one, it's because already my advocate, as I told you before, Gwabeni is the family of Zungu, and they are aware that, he said they are aware that Zungu was told by Gwabeni, and they themselves, according to him, they know that now anytime he can spill the beans.
Akukho ke ukushayisana ke lapho ngoba nanjengoba ngishilo ke ukuthi ke uGwabeni uyisihlobo ke sakhe uZungu nokuthi nabo ke futhi ke babe kwakuyinto babeyazi ke ukuthi nanoma yinini angakhuluma.
And he was afraid of them.
Nokuthi futhi wayebasaba.
So, General, you're suggesting that the suspect knew that Gwabeni told Constable Zungu about their involvement. Is that your evidence?
My lord, it's not true that I'm suspecting. I was told by Zungu that his relative Gwabeni told him that the 2 suspects were involved.
Lokho ke akusona ke ukuthi ke bekusola ke yinto engayitshelwa uZungu ke ukuthi ke uGwabeni ke ukuthi yinto ayitshelwa yena uGwabeni ukuthi laba abasola babili laba babe khona ke noma babembandakanyeka.
The proposition that we made to you, General, is that you say the suspect knew that Gwabeni has imparted the information about their involvement to Constable Zungu. That's what we're asking you.
Yes, my lord, it's what he told me. You know, my lord.
Ngabe ke okushoyo ukuthi abasolwa babenolwazi ukuthi ke uGwabeni watshela uZungu ke ngokubandakanyeka kwabo. Yebo yinto engayitshelwa leyo. Yes.
My lord, I know that I'm under cross-examination, and my advocate is trying to defend lies here.
Ngiyazi inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi ke lana ngingaphansi ke ukuthi ke ngihlonye imibuzo kodwa ke lana kwenzekayo ukuthi ke uadvocate ke uzama ukuthi ke avikele amanga.
You know, General, it's really disappointing for a senior police officer to say what you say now.
Kuyinto ke edumaza kakhulu ke ukuthi ke iphoyisa ke elimkantshubomvu njengawe lisho into oqeda ukuyisho manje.
We've laid out the rules in the beginning that you just give your evidence, the court will decide on who's telling the truth or not.
Sikucelileke ukuthi wena nje wethula ubufakazi kuzoba inkantolo ezothatha isinqumo ukuthi ubani oqamba amanga ubani ongaqambi amanga.
My Lord,
And can we please confine yourself to the
okay,
question?
okay. My Lord, I know that the advocate want to channel me where it's not right. I'm saying this information of Zungu, he was told by Gwabini. And
Ngiyazi ukuthi ke uadvocate kunala afisa ukuthi ke angise ngakhona noma kunahlangothi thizeni ngithi lokhu uZungu wathi wakutshelwa uGwabini. Yes.
And my Lord, Advocate Baloyi knows very well. Even me, I'm so disappointed, but a senior prosecutor can really try to cover the mistakes done by the police.
Kanye naye ke uadvocate Baloyi ukwazi kahle ke lokhu kamhlophe nami ke futhi ke ngidumele kakhulu ke ukuthi ke uadvocate ke naye ke umkantshubomvu njengaye ke ukuthi ke uzama ukuthi ke avikeleke okwenziwa amaphoyisa.
General, we are asking you about your own statement, what stand in your own statement and nothing else.
Yes, it's nothing else but there's lies there. I'm saying I was told by Constable Zungu, and Constable Zungu said, my Lord, he was not there, but he was told by Gwabini.
Yebo ngiyavuma ukuthi ke kuyi statement sami kodwa ke kunamanga khona ke lapha ngoba ngithi ngisho into eyakhulunywa uZungu uZungu abesethi yena ke wayitshelwa uGwabeni.
And the advocate knows about it, my Lord.
Futhi ke uadvocate uyakwazi lokho Nkosi
You see,
enkantolo.
you're asking questions that you're answering to questions that have been asked. We put the proposition to you that are you suggesting that the suspects were aware that Zungu has received this information from Gwabeni as to who was involved in the death of Mr. Senzume?
And
That is all that we're asking, as per your statement.
Yes, my Lord, as per my statement, and I want to say for the second time, I said yes because why? Zungu is the relative of Gwabini.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo kuyokusho ukuthi ke ingabe uthi abasola babe nolwazi lokuthi ke uZungu watshelwa uGwabeni ngokuthi ke bayambandakanyeka. Yebo ngiyakusho lokho kwesibili futhi ngokwestatement sami ukuthi ke futhi ke Gwabeni lona ke waye isihlobo sakhe ke uZungu.
So in other words, you are saying that Gwabeni would have told the suspects that he told Constable Zungu about their involvement.
I cannot say Gwabini said because I never spoke to Gwabini, my Lord. I spoke to Zungu, not Gwabini.
Ingabe uthi ke manje ke okwenziwa uGwabeni wahamba wayotshela abasolwa ukuthi yena wakhuluma noZungu. Angeke ngisho ngithi ke uGwabeni wakwenza lokho noma wakusho lokho ngoba angaze ngikhulume noGwabeni mina ngatshelwa uZungu.
Can we look at paragraph 9 of page 5 of 6?
Yeah. I'm there, my Lord.
Yes, paragraph 9, we'll just read the whole paragraph. I freely and openly assisted Brigadier Gininda to coordinate the meeting. I do know that the meeting took place and an investigation carried on. We wish to draw your attention to this portion that we are going to quote to you. I also advised Brigadier Gininda to look after Constable Zungu's safety and follow the investigation proper as I believe him.
Uadvocate lana ke uyafundela yena ke uGeneral ukuthi ke ngathi ke ngokukhululekileke nokuphuma kumina ke ngalekelela ke uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke ahlanganise umhlangano. Ngiyazi ukuthi umhlangano waqhubeka nophenyo ke lwaqhubeka ngase futhi ngenikeza ke uBrigadier Gininda izeluleko ukuthi ke abheke ke udaba lokuvikeleka kwakhe uConstable Zungu noqhubeka futhi ke ngophenyo ngoba ngangimkholwa.
Yes, my lord, is what I said, but I know that if you'll try to explain, advocate is going to say that I'm deviating. And it was only a phone call, and I'll give you why. My lord, the reason why I received a call from Brigadier Ginida was,
Ngiyakuzwa ke lokho kodwa ke ngizothi ke manje ke uma ngabe sengifuna ukuthi ngichazeke uadvocate uzothi ke manje angisaphendule ke umbuzo kodwa ke lana kwakuwukuthola ucingo nokuthi ke ngithola kwakungani ukuze ngithola ucingo labuya kuyena uGininda. Yes.
my lord, it's my duty to inform the court that you must remember that he's not aware because he never proved this case. He's not aware that the time I received a call from Gininda was that already Zungu met Makubu and Buthelezi. Is where they say you, Zungu and Leshaban, you are cooking the case. And from there is where he went out, he came to me and said, hey, Leshaban, they are saying that myself as Zungu and you, we are cooking the case. We're defending the family of Kumar.
Angeke abe nalo ke ulwazi ngoba ke icala leli yena ke akazange alihlanganise noma aliphekeke ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi ngaso lesi sikhathi lesi ke uZungu uConstable Zungu ahlangana ngaso noMakhubo kanye noButhelezi kwase kuba yibona ke manje abathi kuyena wena ke kanye naye uGeneral Lishabane icala leli ke niyalipheka ngoba ke nivikela lana ke you are defending
Defending Kelly Khumalo.
Okay ni ngoba nivikela uKelly Khumalo.
And my lord, that is where I said, if you, Constable Zungu, if Warrant Officer Makubu and and Lieutenant Colonel Buthelezi are accusing me as the general and yourself, then there's no problem. As long as they don't believe that there were two people who went in there, they are going to hit a brick wall.
Ila khona ke sengitshela yena ke uConstable Zungu ukuthi uma ngabe ke uWarrant Officer Makhubo kanye naye ke uLieutenant Colonel Buthelezi bengakholwa ke ukuthi ke kunabantu ababili abangena yila bezohamba ke beyoshayiseka obondeni khona.
By the same time, my lord advocate Bolu, you are aware, I did not get I never get information of whether the case was with Gininda.
Ngaso isikhathi leso ke nawe ke uyakwazi lokho advocate balo ukuthi ke ngangingenalo ulwazi ukuthi ke icala leli laliseliphetwe uGininda.
And then it's where Gininda phoned me and say General Lishaban, I was tasked by National Commissioner Sithole.
Yila khona ke sexhumana nami uBrigadier Gininda ethi kumina ke General Lishabane nginikezwe umsebenzi ke uyena uCommissioner uGeneral Sithole.
I realized that when Makubu as well as also Buthelezi, when they spoke to him, by that time, Brigadier Gininda did not yet saw Zungu.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ke la ngathola khona ukuthi ke manje uma sebekhuluma naye ke uMakhubo kanye noButhelezi ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda wayengekamboni noma ke engekabonani noZungu.
When I received this call from Gininda, my lord, I was very happy.
Uma sengithola ucingo lolu lubuya kuyena uGininda kwangijabulisa ke lokho
because he's a neutral person.
Ngoba manje usekuumuntu ke ongahlangene nalutho umuntu oyimele.
Because when I was in the province, it was not the part of those people who are saying there were no people who went in the house.
Ngoba ke ngesikhathi engangisebenza kwisifunda phecelezi ke ku-province ngaso wayengasiyona ingxenye yalaba ababethi cha abekho abantu abangena lapha yana kuya muzi.
That's where he said he's going to meet. I said okay, anytime you can meet him, and from there, my lord, no one gave me a feedback. He just told me that arrange a meeting, and from there he never came that day, and he came the following day. From there they met at Kempton Park, and from there, my lord, I did not get any information whatsoever from Gininda as to what happened.
Ilapho ke sethi ke manje usezohlangana naye ke ngathi ke cha ungahlangana naye ke bahamba ke bayohlangana eKempton Park ukusuka lapho ke akekho umuntu owangitshela ke noma uyena ke uGininda ukuthi ke kwenzekani lapho.
I did not worry about the feedback because I know that now National Commissioner, because as I said before, my lord, Gininda said, General Shaban, the reason why I got hold of Constable Zungu was that National Commissioner Sithole called me to his office and say, hey, Geninda, here is a person who start with him, he's going to give you information.
Ngaleso sikhathi ke akuzange kube khona ke kungihluphayo ngoba ngakusengazi ke manje ukuthi ke uNational Commissioner uGeninda angitshela kona ukuthi ke wafonelwa ke uyena uCommissioner ke mbizele office lakhe wabesethi kuyena ke nanguke umuntu uGeninda ozokunikeza ke ulwazi phecelezi ke information.
No, General, the proposition that we are making to you regarding this sentence that we have just quoted, so on your version, you are saying you advise Brigadier Geninda to look after Constable Zungu's safety and follow the investigation proper as you believe him. This you did despite the fact that, according to you, he was not the source of the information as to who was involved in the death of Mr. Senzo Meyiwa.
My Lord, I'm saying, once he told me to say he got this from the National Commissioner, I was so happy. And I said, it's up to him because the National Commissioner, he knows that I'm somebody who's always cooperating. I said, take Zungu anytime. I spoke to a station commander to say, you know what, if they want Zungu, please allow them because this case is a national case. He must help the detective of national the way he can help.
Kulokhu ke ngiqeda ukufundela noma kule ndawo engiqeda ukufundela kuyona ke ukuthi ke wase uthi ke kuyena ke uBrigadier Geninda noma umeluleka ukuthi ke abheke ukuvikeleka kwakhe ke uConstable Zungu nokuthi ke futhi ke wawumkholwa ke aqhubeke nophenyo nanoma nje wawazi ukuthi lokho ayekutshela kona kwangaqhamuki kuyena Nkosi enkantolo kwenzeka ukuthi ke wangitshela ukuthi ke yena ke uNational Commissioner uqhumene naye ngathi kuyena ke usungamthatha ke uZungu seningasebenza ke naye ngase ngitshela naso futhi Station Commissioner ukuthi ke uma ngabe kuukuthi bafuna uZungu ubanikeze uZungu.
My Lord, Brigadier Mtombeni and myself, we gave Geninda everything he wanted.
Mina kanye futhi noBrigadier Mtombeni samnikeza konke ayekudinga noma ayekufuna uBrigadier Geninda.
In paragraph 5 of your statement,
Yes, my Lord.
it's page 3 of 6, the last 3 sentences of paragraph 5, you say, I personally was convinced about the information of Constable Zungu as it was probable.
Yes, my Lord. There's no way I cannot be convinced because he's saying, I am the family of these people who are hit men.
Lana ke kule ndawo kufuneka ngalendlela ukuthi mina ke nganeliseka ke noma ke ngikholwa ke lokho ke uConstable Zungu ayengitshela kona ke ngoba ngakuzwakala ukuthi ke kuyikona yebo ayikho indlela ngangingezokwazi ke ukuthi ke ngeneme ngayo ngoba ke awayekusho kumina ukuthi labantu abakithi umndeni.
And I'm not saying that these people who are here are not involved. I'm just saying I believed Constable Zungu.
Engikushoyo mina angisho ukuthi labantu abahlezi lana ke abasiyona ke ingxenye noma abakaze babe yiyona ingxenye kodwa engishoyo ukuthi nje ngamkholwa uConstable Zungu.
But General, that stands in sharp contrast of the criticism that you've been leveling against his evidence.
Kodwa ke uma ubheka lokhu ke kuyashayishana noma kuyanqubuzana ke nale ngendlela ke obukhuluma ngayo ugxeka ke ubufakazi bakhe.
My Lord, there's no way the statement of Zungu and me can be the same. Because why? You remember, my Lord, when I was in the consultation, you and Geninda, you said I must corroborate statement of Zungu, and it's where I refused.
Ayikho ke indlela la khona ubufakazi bukaZungu nobufakazi bami ke bungathi ke buhambisane ke ngoba uzokhumbula ke ngesikhathi engangisehhovisi lakho yila khona ke wena kanye naye uGeninda wawuthi ke angikhulume into ehambisana nento ekhulunywa uZungu yila enganqaba khona.
When I wrote this statement, I didn't know about until I get this information from the defense here.
Ngesikhathi ke ngibhala lesami statement ngangazi lutho ke ngalesi sakhe mina kwaze kwayisikhathi la khona ngithola lesi sakhe ngisithola kumameli khona la.
My Lord, if I knew when they called me previously, I shouldn't have refused. I should actually come running.
Uma ngangazi-ke ngesikhathi-ke ababengibize ngazo, kwangafaneleke ukuthi-ke nginqabe, kwakufanele nje ukuthi ngize ngigijima.
So are you saying the defense provided you with the statement of Constable Zungu?
No, here when I was talking to the court,
Ingabe uthi-ke abameli bakunikeze istatement esikaZungu? Cha, la enkantolo ngesikhathi-ke bengikhuluma
it
nenkantolo.
was televised here.
Isikhathi-ke leso-ke icala leli-ke ebeliveziwe-ke noma ibonakala-ke kumabonakude.
But you've just said if the defense did not provide you with that information, what do you mean?
Remember they are consulting me, and remember that I'm being called to come. Remember that when I was called, even when they said, General Shaban, you must come and answer things which were said in court.
Ungabe ukuqeda usho ukuthini-ke uma ubusithi-ke ngesikhathi-ke ebebekunikeza ngaso-ke engikushoyo ukuthi uzokhumbula ukuthi bangibizile noma ngibiziwe, ukhumbule futhi baye bahlala-ke phansi nami bekhuluma phecelezi-ke uconsulta ukuthi-ke General woza uzophendula-ke izinto eshiwo ngawo enkantolo.
So they told you what was said in court?
No, remember I was here. I was giving evidence here.
Okusho ukuthi bakutshela-ke ukuthi kwathiwani enkantolo? Cha, ukhumbule bengila.
General, let's just leave it there. You mentioned that you were not aware that Brigadier Gininda is seized with the investigation of this matter. Is that correct?
And you know that very well.
In 2019?
My Lord, the first time when Zungu came to me, and I even told you, my Lord, it was only Makubu because he was even having that case with him. And by that time, remember that there were teams there at head office. But the person I know was Makubu. And by that time, he came for the first time. I never knew that Gininda was also doing the case.
Uyasho-ke kubufakazi bakho ukuthi wawungazi ukuthi-ke uGininda uyena owayehola-ke noma-ke owayephethe icala leli. Ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke soqala owayeza-ke uzokhumbula-ke ukuthi-ke kwakunamathimba noma amaqembu-ke e-national noma-ke e-head office-ke kodwa ngangazi ukuthi-ke uMakhubo okuyena-ke owayephethe icala. Ngangazi lutho ukuthi-ke kwakuGininda.
My Lord, I only heard when Gininda phoned me to say, General Shaban, I got information from National Commissioner that there is a constable looking in your area. He gave information there, and I want to arrange to meet him.
Mina-ke ngazuzwa noma ngezwa ngesikhathi-ke uBrigadier Gininda esexhumana nami ethi-ke General Lishabane ngitshelwe uyena-ke uCommissioner ukuthi-ke kuno-constable lapho-ke osebenza ngakhona-ke ukuthi-ke unolwazi analo.
My Lord, when we were in consultation room there, both of us, Advocate Baloyi and Gininda, we both agreed that what he told me to say he heard from Gwabini is exactly what he told National Commissioner. And even Brigadier Gininda said, Advocate Baloyi, what Lishabane is saying now is me, even myself, I heard from him that the information comes from Gwabini, but they are going to do the investigation.
Futhi-ke nalolu daba-ke lokuthi-ke wayekuzwe ngoGwabeni lolu daba ukuthi-ke nangesikhathi-ke sasiconsulta ngalo kwavela-ke lokhu ukuthi-ke naye-ke uGininda wabeseshoka ukuthi kanye naye-ke wezwa ikona-ke lokho akuzwa ukuthi-ke wayetshelwe uGwabeni kwase kuthi-ke ukusuka lapho-ke kusezoqhubeka-ke ngalo uphenyo.
General, I'm sorry, General. We've been taking you through your own statement, but you have consistently digressed from your from answering questions pertaining to your own statement. But we leave the point there for argument.
It's not true, my Lord.
Yes.
Ngaso sonke-ke lesikhathi-ke General sikubuza ngestatement sakho kodwa uma ngabe uphendula-ke uyaphuma nje impela kusona-ke istatement sakho kodwa sizoliyeka kudaba lolo.
We wish to refer you, I'm sorry, General, we must now be in charge of the process. We wish to refer you to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda given on the 27th of November 2023 at page 43, line 4. The state asked him, when were you seized with this matter? And he responded as follows. Line 5 to 6. Mr. Gininda, I was seized with this matter on 18 November 2018 And then he said, my lord, sorry, 12 November 2018.
Lana-ke uBrigadier Gininda wayebuzwa khona-ke ukuthi-ke waqala nini-ke ukuthi-ke noma walinikezwa nini-ke icala leli, waphendula-ke yena wathi-ke kwakunge-18 November 2018 wabe seyakulungisa-ke lokho wathi ngiyaxolisa-ke ngeyi-12 kaNovember 2018.
My Lord, I cannot dispute that.
Angeke ngikuphikise lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
So you are saying you are not aware that Brigadier Gininda was seized with this matter
My Lord, I say
up
2019.
until the call that you received from him?
Yes, my Lord, yes. my
Engabe
Lord.
uthi-ke wawungazi ukuthi-ke uBrigadier Gininda uyenako ophendula icala leli, kwazi kwayisikhathi othola ngabe ucingo, yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
And you know that my advocate.
Futhi-ke uyakwazi lokho advocate.
General, we have consistently tried to draw your attention to the fact that when you come to court, you testify about what falls within your personal knowledge. We've been asking you about your own statement and nothing else.
My Lord, I don't know what to say because of, I said that there's where I must explain if you ask me a question because you were not there. When they take that statement, you were not there.
Sikade sikutshela-ke General ukuthi-ke uma uphendula noma-ke uma ubuzwa-ke umbuzo ukuthi-ke ugxileke kuloko okubuzwayo, yebo kunala ekufanele ngichaze khona ngoba wawungekho-ke ngesikhathi ekwakuthathwa ngaso istatimende leso.
My Lord, I said until 2019, when Zungu came to me, I didn't know what was going on.
Engikushilo-ke Nkosi enkantolo ukuthi-ke kuze kube u-2019 ngesikhathi uZungu eza kumina ngangingazi ukuthi kwenzekani.
And I repeated that, my Lord.
Ngakuphinda futhi lokho Nkosi
Can we
enkantolo.
move to a different topic?
Yes, my Lord.
You testify that when you were the acting deputy provincial commissioner in Gauteng, that was the period from March 2015 to April 2016, is that correct?
Yes, yes, my Lord.
Okushilo-ke ukuthi-ke kwakunesikhathi la khona-ke owawu-acting deputy provincial commissioner kwakukusukela-ke ngoMarch 2015 kuyofika-ke ngo-April 2016 yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
And that you and the late General Ndlovu supervised the team that was investigating this matter of the death of Mr. Senzo Maiwa, is that correct?
It's correct. It was not only in Lofu, it was also, may his soul rest in peace. It's what the late General Ndlovu, the late Brigadier Mudise and Mutwetwa was also there.
Ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke kwakuwena-ke kanye-ke nongasekho uGeneral Ndlovu ababebheke-ke ithimba elaliphenya kungasiyena uNdlovu kuphela nosewashona-ke uGeneral Mudise kanye futhi naye-ke uMthetho.
And it's true, my Lord, I was supervising them.
Kuyiqiniso-ke ukuthi-ke yimina-ke owayebahola.
And that will have included perusing the investigating diary, that would have included the team giving you regular updates, is that correct?
Normally they were giving me a regular update in order to peruse the docket.
Hayi ukuthi-ke ngangimuntu-ke owaliphenya elibuka-ke noma elibheka idokodo kodwa-ke babehlezi nje njalo-ke bengitshela ukuthi kwenzekani.
But I remember that at some point I gave the instruction that they must go back to the house of Kelly Kumar.
Kodwa-ke ngiyakhumbula kunesikhathi la khona-ke engabayala khona-ke ukuthi-ke ababuyele laphaya kubo Kelly Khumalo.
Yes. Are you saying, General, that you did not peruse the investigation diary?
No, I'm saying at some point I did. At some point, I think it's one entry which I might have made. They were only briefing me to come and tell me what they've done.
Ingabe uthi-ke wawungabheki-ke idokodo leli ukubheka-ke ukuthi kwenzekani noma kubhalweni-ke lapho. Ngiyakhumbula nje noma kukodwa noma ihlandla elilodwa-ke la engake kwabakhona engikubhalayo kodwa bona-ke babehlezi nje bengitshela ukuthi kwenzekani.
So are you saying you made the entry in the investigation diary in your own handwriting?
No, I did one, I think, in my diary. In my handwriting, I did wrote one day there.
Ingabe uthi-ke kukhona owabhala wena ubhala ngesakho isandla? Yebo kukhona.
My Lord, the reason why I said that is because they went there several times. But I said, no, man, let me send them back.
Izathu ke sokuthi ngikwenzeke lokho nkwesenkantolo ngoba ke baya lapha yana amahlandla ke ngamahlandla ngabe sengithi mina angiphinde ngibathumele futhi.
Yes, we will get to that just now. You've referred to the team as consisting of, firstly, the late Brigadier Modise, is that correct?
Yes.
Uyasho ukuthi ithimba leli ke ongasekho uBrigadier Modise wayekhona yebo.
And in your evidence in chief, you also mentioned Captain Twala.
Yes.
Ukhulumile
Oh, sorry, Mthethwa.
Ukhulumile futhi ke nangoThwala cha
It's a lady, I must,
Mthethwa.
maybe I made a mistake there. It's either Mthethwa or Twala, but I think it can be Mthethwa.
Mhlambe phakathi koThwala noMthetho kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ke kwakuwuMthetho.
But she was a lady.
Kodwa kwaku umuntu wesimame.
So when you said Captain Twala, did you mean to refer to Captain Tetwa?
Yeah, the one who was with us there. As I say, it's a long time, my lord. I might have made a mistake there.
Uma ngabe ubuthi ke uCaptain Twala ubuhloseke ukuthi ke uMthethwa yebo lona owayesebenza nathi ngalena ngoba ke sekuyisikhathi ke ngenze ukuthi yiphutha lelo.
Because, my lord, when they went to interview with the females, they must have a female with them.
Ngoba ke uma kuukuthi bazohamba bayoba nenhlolo khona nomuntu wesifazane kufanele ukuthi nabo ke bahambe nomuntu wesimame.
Colonel Mukwena, was he part of the team?
He was doing some other investigation.
uKenneth Mukwena ngaba naye ke wayingxenye yethimba
But-
wayenza olunye uphenyo yena.
But they were together as in the province. But remember, they were having very different cases there. There was case of Botswana, and there were a lot of cases there. Therefore, Mukwena was also in the province.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke babesebenza ke kwisifunda phecelezi ke kuprovince kwakunamacala ahlukahlukeneke uzokhumula khona ke necala lika Bozwana khona lapho.
But this one, Modise was always handing the docket.
Kodwa leli
Having the docket.
umudise ke umuntu wayehlezi ephethe idokodo lalo.
Sorry maybe to ask this pedantic question, but I'm still not clear. Was Colonel Mukwena part of the investigation team of this case that you're supervising, First Lawrence Cast 636/10/2014?
I want to repeat, my lord. I said, remember, in the province, there's different cases. But the people whom I know, they were giving me a sort of feedback, was in Ndofu, the lady in Ndofu, the brigadier, together with Mthethwa. But also, Mukwena was having some cases he was dealing with.
Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngikubuze lo mbuzo kodwa ngabe uMukwena naye wayingxenye yethimba eliphenya icala leli ke eliphambi kwenkantolo 63610 of 2014 engikushoyo ukuthi ke kwakuno Modise kwakuno brigadier kwakuno general lapho ke uNdlovu kodwa ke ibona abantu abebenginikeza ke bengitshela ukuthi kwenzekani kodwa ke ayekhona namanye amacala ke ayowaphenya uMukwena ke kulomacala lawo.
And my lord, I'm not saying they didn't use him. Remember, as a team, they help one another.
Kodwa ke angisho ukuthi ke babengamsebenzisi uzokhumbula ukuthi nanjengethimba noma ke iqembu babelekelelana noma besizana.
So he was also drafted into the team to assist when it was necessary.
Sorry, my lord.
Was he also assisting the team when it was necessary?
I don't know, my lord. As I said, I cannot dispute that maybe they might have used him somewhere in there. I was talking to the late General Ndofu and Modise as the senior people there, my lord.
Kodwa ingabe uthi ke babemsebenzisa noma ke bamsondeza ke ukuthi nabo ke asebenze nabo angeke ngikusho ke lokho angazi kodwa mina abantu engangikhuluma nabo ke ngalo icala leli kwaku General Ndlovu no Brigadier Modise.
Captain Kulu, was he part of the investigating team?
Captain Kulu, he was at the province, but what I know is that now he was too much with the case of Botswana.
uCaptain Xulu naye ke wayekusona isifunda esebenza kusona isifunda phecelezi ke iprovince kodwa engikwaziyo ke ukuthi ke kakhulu yena ke wayegxile kwicala leli kaBozwana.
And I think he boarded his charge. As I was told, he boarded his charge.
Meaning?
He boarded his charge. He resigned from the police.
Oh, okay. Kodwa ke uXulu engakutshelwa ukuthi ke wase eyeka noma ke esula ke emsebenzini emaphoyiseni.
But General, I'm still not clear. Was he forming part of the team?
I don't know.
Ukuthi ke wayingxenye yethimba angazi.
But what I know is that with the case of Botswana, I know that he was running with it.
kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi ngaleli icala likaBhuzwana uyena umuntu wayephethe wayegijima nalo
with some other members there.
kanye futhi namanye amalunga khona lapho.
And you've already testified that the late Brigadier Modise was the leader of the team, is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Ushilo nokuthi ke ongasekho uBrigadier Modise uyena ke wayehola ithimba yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
So, General, this was a team of very experienced and seasoned senior detectives. Do you agree?
I agree, my lord.
Okusho ukuthi ke leli ithimba ke lahlanganisiwe lana kwakuyithimba ke lamaphoyisa ke awaziwa kumsebenzi wawo angumkantshubomvu yebo ngiyavuma Nkosi enkantolo.
What would you say was the average experience between these team members?
My lord, I cannot I cannot come and lie about the average because I don't know their experience now.
Ungathi ke manje singathi ke siqageleke nje noma sisho ke isipiliyoni ke kulabantu laba ke noma leli thimba leli angeke ke ngizoqamba amanga lana ngithi ke ngizoqagela noma ngikusho ke ngoba ke iexperience yabo angiyazi.
You testified, General, that you are hands-on. You mentioned that the team visited the Kumelos house on 4 occasions to interview the people who were in the house.
Yes, my lord, it's what
Is
they
that
briefed me,
correct?
my lord. You are right, advocate.
Ushilo ke ukuthi ke umuntu ke ozibambela amathupha ke noma ke ozenzelayo ke washo ukuthi ke ithimba leli walithumela ke amahlandla amane lapha yana kwakhumalo ukuthi ke bayokhulumisana ke nabantu ababephakathi endlini yebo ukhuluma iqiniso labo advocate.
My lord, the reason was that the whole country, they were saying that now the police must arrest everyone who was in that house.
Ngoba ke isizathu Nkosi enkantolo ukuthi ke njena ke kwi South Africa yonkana ke abantu babethi nje amaphoyisa kufanele abophe wonke umuntu owaye lapha yana kulo yamuzi.
Well, when you testified on Thursday, you said the team visited the Kumelos house twice. The day before, on Tuesday, you said they visited the Kumelos house thrice. So it sounds like you keep on vacillating as to the number of times that the team visited the Kumelos house.
My lord, it must not be a big issue because they can even maybe they might have went more than that because when I arrived there already, they went to the house. So this issue, I'm surprised that it's been asked. Because why? I'm saying these people, they went to the house of Kid Kumalo. Even myself, I said they must go there repeatedly. And that's why even myself, my lord, I also went there.
Ushilo ke mawuthula ubufakazi ukuthi bayake amahlandla amabili waphinda washo ukuthi futhi waphinde bayake amahlandla amathathu kusho ukuthi nje amanani ke ebeya ngokushintsha ke kuyangimangaza ukuthi kube udaba ke olusuke ngavezwa ke ngoba ke ngangithi nje njalo nje baye ke ukuthi ke baye khona lapha nami imbala ngaya khona lapha.
Yes, this is the point precisely that we want to get at. So you did also visit the Kumelos house, is that
Yes,
correct?
my lord.
Yebo nami ngaya khona lapho kwaKhumalo.
Now, did you tell the court about that in your evidence in chief and cross-examination up until now?
No, I did not tell the court because I was not asked.
Ingabe inkantolo buyitshelileke ngalo udaba lolu ngesikhathi ke othula ubufakazi bakho kuze kube noma kuze kube manje cha angiyitshelanga ngoba ke angibuzwanga.
But with you, I told you in your office.
Yes.
Kodwa ke kuwena ke ngakusho lokho ehhovisi lakho.
General, we're talking about your evidence. You agree that you did not mention that you visited the Kumelos house?
Yes, my lord, because why? I was talking about the hearsay I got from who that government told me that it was not necessary for me to say I visited the house.
Kodwa uyavuma ke ukuthi awuyitshelanga inkantolo ngalo udaba lolu ukuthi waya ke kwaKhumalo yebo ngoba ke mina bengithula ubufakazi ngenzwa bethi lena ke engayitshelwa uZungu ethi ke wayitshelwa ke uGwabeni angibuzwanga lutho ke
It was not
ngendlu.
necessary, my lord, for me to come and say that I was there because that's why you even said, General Shaban, this evidence of you here is a hearsay and there's no way we can use it.
Bese ngekho ke isidingo sokuthi ke ngakhuluma ke ngithi ngangiyileke lapho ingakho ke nawe wangitshela ke wakuthi ke General Shabane ufakazi bakho yinzwa bethi ngakho ke ingakho singeke sikusebenzise.
My lord, how can I talk about the visit when I'm getting the story in 2019?
Bengizokhuluma kanjani ke ngokuya kwami lapha yana uma kuwukuthi udaba lolu ke ngalithola ngo2019.
I don't know what advocate want there.
Angazi ukuthi advocate ufunani lapho.
But General, you testify about the fact that team led by Brigadier Munise visited the Kumelos house on various occasions, but you don't tell the court about this important fact that you also visited the house.
My lord, yourself, I tried to explain to you, and it was not necessary because I was not asked. Remember that I said I'm here for justice. Even if I made mistake to say state previously, I'm here to let the court, because you, advocate, you never wanted to hear from me because you believe in the statement which was made by Constable Zungu.
Kodwa ke inkantolo itshelile ngodaba lolu lokuthi ke uGeneral ke kanye nayo ubrigadier bayo kodwa uyitsheli ke ngodaba semqoko ukuthi wena wayake uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ke uma ngiza lana ngishilo ke ukuthi ngizele ubulungisa ke lana futhi ke angibuzwanga lutho ke ngalokho futhi nawe ke imbala ke lokho awuzange ufune ukuzwa lutho ke ngalo udaba lolo.
My lord, he even praised me to say thank you that you even took a time to go to KZN, Advocate Baloyi.
Okunye futhi ke wasethatha ke nethuba ke uadvocate Baloyi lokuthi ke asho ke kumina ukuthi ngiyabonga ke ukuthi ke wathatha isikhathi sokuthi uhambe uye eKZN.
General, when you visited the Kumelos house, did you interview Ms. Ntabise Mukiti, one of the witnesses who testified?
I don't know their names a lot, but the opposite house there was somebody who was working at prison. But because we were many there, it's where I wanted to know, tell me, the day in question, have you ever saw somebody go into the safe? It's where that person said, I think she said now, she saw two people next to the danger box, next to the house of Kedu Kumalo.
Ingabe ke ngelanga owawuye ngalo lapha yana ke kwaKhumalo kukhona yini umuntu owunthabise ngoba khulumisana naye angibazi amagama abo kodwa ke ukhona wayesebenza ejele kumuzi ke ongalo komgwaqo khona lapho ke uma ngangimbuza ukuthi bakhona yini abantu owababona ke beya ngale wasesho ke ukuthi ke kunale yabhokisi ke yogesi ngale ngakwaKhumalo kunabantu ababili ababona bemi khona lapho.
The other opposite, I think it was a man who said no, he saw people running out of the yard of Kelkumal.
Kwabe kuba nomunye kumakhelwane omuntu wesilisa yena ke owathi ke wabona ke abantu begijima ke bephuma la kwaKhumalo.
That's why I believe that really there were two people who went inside.
Yingila khona ke engakholwa khona ukuthi ngempela bakhona abantu ababili abangena phakathi endlini.
You say you don't remember the names, but did you interview Ms. Yolande Mota?
I cannot remember those people, my lord. I don't want to lie, as I said to you, my lord. I cannot come and lie before the court. I'm an old man.
Uyashoka ukuthi amagama abo awubakhumbuli kodwa ke uMr Yolande Mota yena ke wakhulumisana naye angeke ngize la enkantolo ngizoqamba manga ngiyikhehla angibakhumbuli laba bantu.
But I made some interview there.
Kodwa ke bakhona abantu engaba nama interview phecelezi inhlolo khono nabo.
You mentioned that you also interviewed the men. Did you interview the Ngashes, the neighbors of the Kumalos?
I don't know their surname, but the neighbor on the left-hand side, my lord, I also went there because, when you go to the scene, you must go through to people whom they can give information. The information that there was some people running away from the scene was that family on the left-hand side, not opposite.
AbakwaNgqashe bona ingaba bakhuluma yini naba ngeke ngibazike noma angibazi ngamagama abo kodwa bakhona ke omakhelwane kwisandla sokunxele hayi laba bona ke bangaphambili engakhuluma nabo ke abashoko ukuthi ngempela babe khona ke abantu abaphuma begijima.
Now, General, you testify that in addition to the team that you're supervising, there was another team for the national office working on this matter. Is that correct?
It's correct because, as I said, my lord, when I was on the Ndebe, after even taking a statement from Togozis, I said to you, General, I even said to you, General Mutiba phoned me and said, please, General Shaban, after having interviewed this guy again, because by that time, Brigadier Mudise interviewed the two boys, friends of Mudise, many times. So I wanted to make sure that now, even me, I must get the information. So that's where they say Buthelezi is about. That's why I said there was people who were sort of trying to help. And I'm not saying that no, she was wrong. That's why I also went out after I was told to come back. Because knowing that if she can make a breakthrough, it was going to be a good thing because it was going to be for the interest of the country.
Ingabe uthi ke ngalesikhathi ke owawuyokhuluma ngaso ke noma ke uye KZN ukuthi ke kwakunelinye futhi ke ithimba elali noma wena une uhola kunelinye ithimba elanalo elaliphenya yebo ngoba ke ngesikhathi ke ngaya ngaso ke ngale KZN ngiyokhuluma naye ke umthokozisi futhi naye ke uMudise wayeyileke ngale eyokhuluma nabo ke abafana laba babili ekwaku abangani bakhe ke uMeyiwa ila khona ke sasitshelwa khona ke ukuthi ke cha ake angihoxa ke manje ngabusaqhubeka ke ngiyokhuluma naye ke uMadlala ngoba ke uButhelezi uyena ke sezoqhubeka ila ekwangijabulisa ke khona ukuthi yena ke uma ukuthi kukhona ke ngakuthola ukuthi ke kuzothokoza ke iSouth Africa yonke.
But I was in charge of the docket with my team.
Kodwa mina ke nethimba lami imina ke owayephethe ke idokodo.
Remember my lord, I cannot defy General Mutiba when he's saying, even if I was in charge of the whole province, but when the senior says to you, we know you are in charge, but the prosecution that's saying there is somebody by the name of Buthelezi who is about to crack it. And then we came back with Modise, but it's where Modise said, you know what, Lishaban, we have interviewed the same Thokozisi, he never said anything. And I said, don't worry, let's go back to to Gauteng.
Ngoba ke nanoma ke kwakuyimina owayehola ithimba kodwa ke uma ngabe ke manje uGeneral Mutiba eseza kumina ke ethi cha Musa ke uqhubeka ngoba ke abashushisi basho lokho noma bathi ke uButhelezi ke sekukhona ka sizokuthola asesi ngibuyeke noma ke ngihlehla umuva ke ngisho ke kuyena ke uMudise ukuthi ke asibuyeleke eGoli yila khona ke uMudise ashoyo ke ukuthi cha yabona sikhulumile ke naye ke umthokozisi kodwa akunalutho alishoyo satsho ke ukuthi cha asesibuyela ke manje eGoli.
My lord, lastly, when I came back to the province, myself and Brigadier Modise, and I inform you, we were also called by Advocate Chauke during the weekend at his place to hear what happened.
Angusho ke lokho ukuthi ke nangesikhathi ke ukuthi ke sesibuya ke naye uModise sibuya khona ke KZN ukuthi ke sasesithola ucingo ke libuya kuyena ke uChauke siye kwakhe futhi kwazi ukuthi kwenzekani.
General, can you once again just come back to the issues that we are asking you? If
I want to explain about the docket.
Yes,
because you asked me about whether there's another team.
Yes.
I was just telling the court what happened, my lord.
Yes.
Allow me to just finish there.
No, we'll canvass those issues if
No,
it
I will
becomes
forget,
necessary.
my lord. I want the court to hear what happened.
General, we'll canvass those issues should it become necessary. What we want to find out from you at this point is, when did you visit the Khumalo's house?
My lord, I cannot remember.
Angikhumbuli ukuthi ngaya nini kwaKhumalo.
How many times did you visit the Khumalo's house?
I said, my lord, I went there once.
Ingabe waya amahlandla mangaki kwaKhumalo ngishilo ngathi ngayi ihlandla elilodwa.
So in addition to the 4 occasions that the team visited, you also visited the Khumalo's house on 1 occasion.
But my lord, I'm having a problem because when I'm trying to explain to the court, I'm prevented. But now he's also asking me about things which happened when I was at the province. And I said, after I left the province, the police who were left there from 2016, they were doing investigation. But he is focusing on me because I said I started to know about this one in 2019. So I don't know the relevance of that issue because I said I did went there. And here I wanted to say to my lord that when I come from Johannesburg, because I mean from KZN, I was called by Advocate Chauke Modise. We don't want him to tell the court.
Angazi ke ukuthi ke kuhlangana kuphi ke lokho ngoba ke lana bengifisa ukuthi ngitshele inkantolo ukuthi ngesikhathi ke ngibuye KZN ngafonelwa ke uGeneral uAdvocate uChauke ngoba ke manje lana uma ngabe sengifuna ukuchazela inkantolo ngiyavinjwa ke ukuthi ke ngichaze ukuthi ke kwenzekani ngoba ke yiloko engifisa ukuthi ngikwenze ngichazele inkantolo.
You know, General, your own counsel who called you, Mr. Rambosepeli, was at pains to explain to you what hearsay evidence is, but despite that, you still insist on just putting everything on record, regardless of whether it's admissible or not.
Ngisho ummeli wakho ke okuyena okubizile la inkantolo ukuthi uzokwethula ke ubufakazi naye ke ebenenkinga ukuthi ke achazele noma ke asho kwena ukuthi ke inzwabethi kuyini nanoma kunjalo ke usaqhubeka ke ufuna ukuthi ukusho lokho.
When we try to steer you in the right direction, you say you're being prevented to answer, to explain.
My Lord, it's not true what the advocate is saying. It's because I telling him that I was the investigating officer, I was the team leader there. We went to Advocate Chauke, who wanted to know what happened there. But he's saying that, no, he said, yes, I know about the yes rule.
Akusilona ke iqiniso lo lokuthi ke kodwa ke engifisa ukuthi ngibenze mina lana ukuthi ke ngitshela inkantolo ukuthi ke uma ngasibuya ngalena saya kuyena ke uAdvocate uChauke owayefisa ukwazi ukuthi ke kwenzekani manje sengitshelwa ukuthi ke inzwabethi ngiyazi ukuthi ke inzwabethi noma ke umthetho ohlanganisa inzwabethi ukuthi ke usho ukuthini.
General, we canvass the issues that we want to be placed on record. If there's anything else, your counsel will place that on record.
Yes, my Lord, but I told this court to say, from 2016, I have never investigated the case until 2019.
Thina ke sibuza lokho esifisa ukuthi ke sikubuze uma ngabe kukhona okunye mmeli wakho ke uyena ozoqhubeka nawe yebo ngosenkantolo kodwa ke ngithi ke mina ke ukusukela ngo2016 angazi ngibe yingxenye yophenyo kwaze ke kwafika noma ke kwashaya ku2019.
My Lord, this is 1303. Shall we take the long adjournment?